Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at a $3 Cook Island polymer note. It's one of the new series. The reason I can tell that is this series before this was on paper and this one's a polymer. Also, we have a very low serial number, an AA serial number, which means to say it's one of the first ones that was issued, or amongst the first couple of batches that were issued of this particular note. We have a Polynesian style god here on the right hand side of the note. We have the number 3 written twice in top left and top right and bottom left corners. We have the name of the issuing people, which is the Cook Islands. There we have one of the watermark type things on these new polymer notes. We have a canoeist coming in, and we have a second serial number going vertically instead of horizontally on the right hand side. If we look at the rear of the note, this is the one that has made this note infamous. Again, we have the top right and bottom left, sorry, with the number 3 in it. We have $3 going across the bottom area there. We then have the issuing signature, the Honourable Mark Brown, Minister of Finance for the Cook Islands. And then we have a shark, possibly a great white, with a Polynesian woman with her hair flowing in the background, and there is she's holding some type of shell by the looks of it, and she is topless in this particular one. So, what do you think of this note? I have to be honest and say I first saw it on Caledonian Coins YouTube channel. It's one that I liked and thought was very unusual, and when I got the opportunity, I found one, I got the opportunity to buy it, I did. It's a fascinating note. It has a lot of different action in it, and it's one I'm very happy to sort of have in my collection. If you just give me 1 second. There doesn't seem to be any watermark as such within this area here. There's no hidden hologram there. There is, however, a hologram here in what look like clouds on this side. If you hold it up to the light, there's actually palm trees. So, what do you think of this note overall? Do you like it? Would you want it as part of your collection? I'm very happy to have it, so please tell me in the description what you feel about this note. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up and like this video. It helps no end with me being put in front of new people and who've never seen my work before. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins or notes or wherever, I hope you can get the coins or notes for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully one of the 4 videos is something that you want to watch and enjoy. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.